Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 7 ways to use the ChainMap container from the collections module in Python. Number 1, ChainMap groups multiple dictionaries together to create a single updatable view. It returns a dictionary-like view of all input mappings. Here I'm creating a chain map from a regular dictionary, an ordered dict, and a default dict. Number 2, you can access key value pairs in a chain map just like a regular dictionary. And if the key doesn't exist, you'll get a key error. Number 3, when there are duplicate keys in a chain map, the first occurrence gets returned. In this example, I have a customer key in both table dict and table OD. In the chain map, the customer key from the table dict gets returned. Number 4, you can use a for loop with the items method to iterate over the items in a chain map, just like a regular dictionary. Number 5, updating or deleting a key will only affect the first mapping in a chain map. In this example, I'm first adding a new key called sales to the first mapping, then deleting the key sales, and finally clearing the whole first mapping. Note the second mapping of table dict 5b was not affected by all these operations. Number 6, use the maps.reverse method to reverse the mapping in a chain map. Last but not the least, number 7, use the new_child method to add a child mapping in the front and return a new chain map object. Here I'm adding a new child called table_dict7b to an existing chain map and returning a new chain map object. Note you can use the .parents property to access just the parents as well. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.